Welcome to Fuel for the Soul with Darrius Garrett, where wisdom meets motivation every Monday and Wednesday. A spark for your soul, from someone who's walked through the fire. Real talk, real growth, real fuel. And now, producing author, actor, motivational speaker, and mental health advocate, Darrius Garrett.
Hey, what's up, guys? This message is for everyone that's a communicator, motivator, leader, clergyman, even a big homie, or anyone who simply pours into other people. Let's take a moment and simply think about water for a second. Before you can fill up your cup, the pitcher has to be full, right? But too often, we as motivational speakers, parents, teachers, supervisors, mentors, coaches, and others just simply keep pouring into everybody else's cup while ignoring our own. And when that pitcher runs dry, we've got nothing left to give, guys. So, it's like we wear this invisible armor like we're supposed to be endless wells of strength and knowledge. But the truth is, if you don't allow yourself to be filled, you'll burn out soon. So don't be that empty pitcher. Use this week to take time to refill your pitcher, your mind, and your soul. Read a new book, watch something that educates you and inspires you. Call someone who lifts you up and encourages you. Feed your mind, your spirit, and most of all, feed your heart. Because the fuller you are, the more you can pour into others to help fill them. I encourage you all to simply remember that we can only give our best when we're at our best. So go into this week making sure that your pitcher stays full, because the world needs what's inside of you. Don't run empty, guys. God bless you all, and remember, make this Monday motivational for those around you, those you love, and the ones you love as well, yourselves. God bless you all and have a great day.
Thanks for tuning in to Fuel for the Soul with Darrius Garrett. Follow, like, and share this podcast with someone who needs a word today. Connect with I am Darrius Garrett on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And remember, you don't need a perfect past to spark a powerful future. Stay grounded, stay grateful, stay fueled.